Hi gardeners. Well, today we have reached an important milestone in the garden. We get to start harvesting some potatoes. Remember, potatoes were put in late because it was very cold, so we're harvesting very late. And here's some of the keys to harvesting. We're over 4 weeks past flowering on these Pontiac Reds, and you can see the leaves are turning brown. They're dying off. The main stalk is turning from green to that yellowish sickly brown color. And if it's a little early, we know we'll still get plenty of good medium-sized potatoes. So I have got my good friend Tim here helping out today. Say hi, Tim.
Hi, Tim.
And Tim is going to show you something he's never done before, which is our method of harvesting, which is grabbing all the stalks in both hands, and he's going to pull straight up. Look at all of those potatoes. My word. All right, we'll shake them out, and then we'll go hunting. I see one more up there, don't you?
I do.
And now we go fish. Notice that because of the how pliable and how crumbly the soil is, it's easy for him to just run his fingers through, which doesn't damage the tomatoes as much. Look at these tomatoes there.
Potatoes.
I said tomato. Tomato, potato, let's call the whole thing off. But yeah, great Pontiac Reds. This is from one plant, and it's going to be about 2.5 to 3 pounds. You can also go a little bit farther around because there might be some lone guys there. Yep, there's a little one. Those are great in salads. Just boil them right up. They count. And try that edge nearest to you that you've covered up there to see if there's any deep there. One advantage of working with a bed that's gradually getting older is that the friable soil goes farther and farther down because each year we put compost on it, and sure enough, the worms and other animals will take it deeper into the soil, and we get thicker and thicker, really good topsoil there. So that looks to be a pretty good haul, huh?
Good enough to eat.
Yes, sir. So that is just one plant, and once again, the timing is anytime after 4 weeks from flowering. We're at almost 5 now, and that, as you can see, we have good sized potatoes. There's still some green on the potato, but those are magnificent Pontiac Reds, and they're going to be good tonight. Thank you all very much, and remember, you can grow your own food. Tim just did.